Hello guys, I want to actually do the promised video of the XOS labs um, testnet mining I promised you all. So if you don't know how to go about the testnet, this is what you need to do right now. Okay, so mind you, before you be able to partake in this testnet, make sure you are actually mining the original um project. Okay, if you are not a member of the original project, you will not be able to participate in testnet. So if you want to participate in the original project, I'll be leaving my link in the description for you to use to follow. Okay, so this is the post of the testnet that was being live about 3 days ago. Okay, so I'm gonna go with the procedure from scratch so you all can understand how to go about this. So let me first of all go to the official site. Okay, I will go to the official site where we actually started the mining from. All right, so let me go here. Wait, this is the project here. um okay, this is the project X.ink. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the official airdrop site. Okay, and I will show you what you need to do to get started. Remember that we have actually connected our wallet to this particular site. Okay, so we're gonna need that same wallet on our testnet. Okay, so basically this is the actual site. All right, and if you look up here, you will see my wallet address here. Okay, so for us to get started, we need to, I don't want to use I'm using the MySUS browser. I'm actually using the MySUS browser, and I notice it's a bit very slow for this particular project. So I copied what I did, I copied my wallet seed phrase and imported it to the OKX Web3 wallet. Okay, and then I'm gonna use my OKX Web3. It's still gonna be the same procedure for you all. Okay, so whichever browser you're using doesn't really matter for your sake. Okay, so what you need to do now, you see this link. Okay, you need to get the actual testnet values. Okay, so we're going to click on this get started link right away. So for the sake of this video for you all, I want to make sure I'm going to copy each and every link I'll be working with, so you all can actually do the same thing on your web browsers and follow the link I click, and I'll be leaving a step-by-step guide on the description of this video. Okay, so you can follow that as well. Okay, so the link in the description, so this link is going to take you to this particular page. Okay, so what you need to do now is the configuration parameters that is actually required. Okay, you can see that it's actually here. That's what I'm seeing, that's what I'm looking at. This is the configuration parameters. So you need to go to your wallet that is connected to your XOS. Okay, locate the wallet and actually get the network parameters updated, which is you need to configure a new network. Okay, let me go to my OKX Web3. That's what I want to use for the sake of this video. Okay, so let me just go to my OKX, and you do what I do. Okay, and for those of you that are actually maybe using MetaMask and Trust Wallet and all those other different kind of wallets, the process is still the same. What you need to do is to locate your custom network. Okay, I'm going to click on the menu on the OKX up here. Okay, and it's going to locate I'm going to locate custom networks. Okay, so if you can get that in whatever wallet you are using, it's going to be easier for you to do. Okay, so on the custom network, you can see different kind of networks are there already. So I'm going to click on add network. All right, and when I'm in the add network section, it will tell me to input the required um, 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 figures. Okay, to continue on this venture we're doing. Okay, so let me just go straight to let me go back to the site I was in, and I'll tell you what you will do right away. Okay, so I don't want to speak too much of Latin and French to you guys, so I want to explain to um as low as I can go for you all to understand easily. So you just need to, once you are here, okay, copy the required figures and paste it right there. Okay, so for example, the network name is XOX XOS testnet. Okay, so you just want to go click on that network name and click on copy. Okay, the RPC, there's two of them, both of them are going to work on the same term, so you can just copy either of them. Okay, I just want to copy this. Okay, for the chain ID, I just want to cram this 1267. The symbol is XOS. Okay, and the block explorer, I'm going to copy this also. So we're going to paste these values just like the way it is here. Okay, so for the network name, it said it's on XOX, right? So I just want to go here. So XOX. Okay, URC, I just want to go here again. For the URC, I think sorry, the URC is or let me just go to the chain. Symbol is XOS. Okay, block explorer. Okay, the URC, this is it. I think it's this. Yeah, that's the URC. Then the block explorer is this. Okay, yeah, I think, yeah, Black Explorer is that. Yeah, so I'm right. So as for the chain, is 1267 for the chain. So for the sake of this video, I have actually connected mine. You see the URL is already in use by XOS testnet, so I've already done mine before. That's why it's telling me like this. So for the sake of you that have not done yours, you just need to go click on confirm. Okay, so once you've confirmed this, it's gonna be showing here in the list of your network. So you just need to switch to it. Okay, once you switch to it, this is how you switch to it. You just come back. All right, your desired wallet icon will be showing. Okay, you just need to click on it and then you search for XOX and switch to it. That's just it. Okay, so once you've switched to the network, I'll be leaving you can go back to the same page we were just coming from right away. Okay, so let's go back to that same page, the previous page, and then I'm going to show you what you do next. Okay, I remember I wanted to copy this link for you all. Okay, so this is what we need to do next. We just need to scroll down, and you will locate faucet here. Okay, click on faucet. Okay, and we just need to look into this message, and you see here, you see SOX faucet. Okay, you want to click on that, and I'll be copying this link also for you all. Okay, the faucet is actually where you will be getting the testnet tokens from. Okay, so you want to copy this right away. All right, and you want to paste your wallet address here. Okay, so I just want to connect my wallet to it instead. It's not coming up, so let me just paste my wallet address here instead. Okay, so I'll be going back to the OKX to copy my wallet address from the XOX testnet. Okay, so let it load. Give it a bit of time. Network, it's taking a bit much longer. Come on, load. I don't have all day. I'm having network issues. So okay, here it is. I'm gonna click on receive, and this is my receiving address. I'm gonna copy that. Okay, then I'm gonna go back to the site and make sure I paste it there. Right, so just wait a bit for it to load. Sorry for the delay, guys. So this is a walkthrough, so you just want to stick to the end of the video and don't miss any part, so you'll be able to do it just like the way I'm doing mine. Okay, so you want to paste the address here. So I'm going to paste, and it's going to check if you are eligible to receive this or not. Okay, so you can see um okay, I'm supposed to be able to request, I don't really know what's happening. Okay, I think I need to open this site on my yeah, I think I need to open this site on my wallet, on my web browser that has my wallet on it. So you can see this actually on X, and that's why it didn't work. So I just want to go back to my OKS web browser, or I can use my MySource. Both of them have my wallet, so let me use the OKX web browser to load that particular site. You can see the error there, why it didn't work. Okay, so you want to make sure you don't do that mistake I just did. Yeah, so this is sake of tutorial, so you know what and what you're missing and where you're going wrong. Okay, so you'll be able to correct yourself, right? So I wanna do this real quick. I'm having bad network really. So just give me some time please. Let me this old network. Alright. Yeah. So let me refresh the page. Should come up now. Yeah, so I'm gonna go to that website real quick. Gonna visit it. And then you see that even my wallet balance is going to come up automatically, which is I'm sorry, my wallet address is going to come up automatically without me needing to input it. Yeah, so this is my OKX web3. My wallet is integrated to it already. You can see my wallet is actually showing automatically, but okay, let me just put it there. That's not my wallet. Yeah, okay, it's supposed to show automatically. Yeah, you see the request 0.2 XOX token is now showing. You can actually click on it, so let's click on that. So transaction successful on the XOX testnet, and this is the transaction ID of which you can check if it's going to go through or not. So we can actually check this to see if the transaction is actually being processed. Yeah, so let's just verify the site Cloudflare verification system to test if we are human, and then we're just going to continue to see if the transaction is actually in the queue or if it's actually being processed already or not. So let's see if we did it right. All right, so this is my wallet. It says successful, so definitely this must have arrived in our wallet. So let's go to the main wallet and see. Let's refresh our balance, and here 0.2 XOS token has been deposited to our wallet successfully. Okay, so we have completed the first step by receiving the actual tokens. Okay, so the second step now is for us to perform the actual tax that is needed on this particular test net. Okay, so for us to test the net is now what we're gonna do. So we're gonna click on this second link now. Okay, I'll be leaving this step-by-step guide on the comment section and also in the description, so you can use this to follow yourselves. Okay, so let me go to this next link. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. All right, so let's see the tax we need to do now on the testnet. All right, so this is the XOX dex. Okay, so we need to go to this dex to perform a transaction. So let's click on the dex. It's going to redirect us to the dex.x.ink site. All right, so I really want to copy this now. I really want to copy this. Remember, I'm going to do this on my actual wallet. So I'm going to copy this link. This is X. So I'm going to leave X and go back to the OKX web browser where my wallet is actually linked to it. So we don't go back to wasting our time. Yeah. So I want to go wait for this my wallet to load, and now go to my web browser that actually has my wallet integrated into it. Okay. So let me go paste that link right on my OKX web browser, or you can use whatever one you're using. All right, so I'm gonna continue to the site. All right, now let's give it a bit of time. So yeah, we're in the site. I'm just gonna go to connect my wallet. Okay, let's click on connect. It's gonna connect your wallet automatically. All right, so I'm connected. So I want to go click on this. Yeah, so I'm going to select a token, and I think I did something wrong. Okay, let me just go back. And try again. I don't know. Yeah, something is definitely wrong. Okay, something is wrong. I must have misplaced a step just now. So sorry guys, let me just try figure out what I did. So okay, it was showing something here before now. Okay, it was showing the XOX token and this. Okay, it was showing the network chain on testnet, and my network was not in testnet. It's in testnet. So let me do this again. Current network is showing Ethereum. Okay, so I've seen the fault, so I'm going to switch from my Ethereum to the XOX testnet. Okay, I want to make sure my network is actually on XOS testnet. Yeah, see, now on XOS testnet before I then connect it. All right, so it's now connected, and my balance now appears. Okay, so this is the essence of tutorials. You understand the fault and then you solve it. Okay, so basically you see the challenge I just faced, and I was able to bypass it. So you watching the video will be to enable you to easily bypass it. Okay, so I want to swap 0.1. All right, I don't know what the transaction fee would be, and let me see. That's wait, I got around $4. Wow, that's big. So let me just go 0.01, so something a bit small, so I can save tokens based on the fact I'm actually getting 0.2 per 3 days. Okay, so let me see. There are different tokens you can actually swap to. You can swap to BNB, Jupiter. Wow, there are a lot of testnet tokens you want to test out. So let me first go for USDT. All right, so it's gonna give me a quote where I'll be able to swap this to USDT to test the tokens. Okay, I just want to go swap now. You can see the fee is large. Wow. Okay, let me just perform this. I want to sign in the transaction. I didn't read that. Okay, but still, let me just sign in. Um, okay, submitted. Transaction submitted. All right. My USDT balance has been updated. So let me try swapping to another. Okay, it's telling me to add this. Okay, I want to add this to my testnet. Okay, so let me try swapping to warped XOS or BNB. Okay, let me try swapping to warped XOX. Let me try under 0.01. All right, hopefully the fee will be a bit lower. Okay, yeah. Okay, this one doesn't even. Okay, the fee is very low now. Yeah, it was the USDT I was actually converting to that was actually high. So you can see I'm already testing the net. Me performing transactions like this means I'm actually I'm already testing the net. Okay, so I want to add this also. Continue, confirm. Then let me get some BNB also. Yeah, the same amount of BNB. I want to go this about 12. Wow. Okay, so I want to go try the BNB swap into BNB also. So let's go. Okay, all right, so yeah, it's actually successful. And remember, this is testnet and trades are not real. Okay, so don't think this is actually real money. You're actually testing the tokens. Okay, so we've actually completed various trades, and you can see our balance are actually reflected here. You can see the tokens are actually here live on our wallet, and we can actually as well perform different more tests to prove that we are actually partaking in this ongoing test net. Okay, so there's something else you can also do. You can come to the pool, and you can come to the pool, and you can add new position, which is select a token. Yeah, you want to select a token. Let me try the USDT, and you want to set a quote, okay, where you'll be getting okay, let me try 1%. Okay, let me try 0.5. This is actually okay. You want to add this, okay, deposit amount. Okay, let me see how it's done. All right, I've actually selected the pool. Then I want to select the price, full range. Okay, let me just put any amount here. I don't really know what's up here. Okay, 0.01. Insufficient USDT balance. Okay, so let me just try the maximum of this, and I just want to approve. Okay, so this is also part of their test net, so I'm just gonna confirm with the transaction. All right, so with a bit of time, I think it's successful here. So that was successful, and yeah, it's done. So we just added liquidity to the pool. Okay, so I don't figure why it's not showing here. Okay, let me see. Okay, now let's try this. All right, the process of adding liquidity to the pool. um that actually didn't work, so let me go again. Okay, so let me go again with this. I'm actually current price is all right, so add liquidity. Okay, let's try this again, and hopefully it shows something a bit of different notification this time around. My network is lagging. Let me refresh this network again. So you can see the whole testing scenario is actually taking quite some time, but yeah, we're actually getting this done eventually. So the process is a bit stressful and long, but we're actually performing some transactions, and our performance is being recorded on the blockchain. So definitely we're on the right track. Okay, so yeah, this time around my pool actually came in display. It's actually displayed. Okay, so yeah, that's just it. I've actually performed transactions on the testnet. So every 3 days I'll be coming to perform the more liquidity pool adding, more swapping. You get, we'll be swapping more tokens, and we'll be just accumulating just like this to and fro for until the testnet is over. So they haven't really shared how the testnet is being calculated or recorded on their application yet. They have not actually shared that. So we'll know very soon how this is being recorded and how the official tokens will be distributed pertaining the testnet participation that we just did and that we are doing. Okay, so we'll be waiting for an official post from them to actually share the light on this. Okay, there's a post here the first thing to be opened priority to NFT holders and more. Okay, so we have actually done this, and we'll be waiting more for from them, more important updates from them. So basically that's just it for now. And if you have any questions, you can actually drop your comments. I'll be reading and helping you guys out to process more information for you. I'm doing this for your sakes, and hope you all learned something and you can actually do this by yourselves. um, if you actually okay, so I'll be leaving the link according to the video. I'll be going through this video again and dropping the link at every interval for you to follow step by step as a guidance to help you do yours also. Okay, so that's it for this testnet tutorial and the full guide. I hope you enjoyed more from this walkthrough, and have a wonderful day. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please do so for more updates from me. Crypto mining updates. We'll be giving you more highlights on during the coming weeks. Have a wonderful weekend.